Go ahead, you eat. Hey guys, it's Jeff from Foodie Hideout, and today we're going to be doing something a little bit different for you. This is going to be a taste testing video with a panelist of 3.5 people for a vegetarian dish that I call my version of beef bulgogi. So the idea of this video is for the panelists to test by tasting, give it a rating on a scale of 1 to 10, and then tell me what their honest critique is of the dish and what I could do to improve it. So I hope you like the video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, hit the bell notification, like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Good.
My favorite parts. I'm sorry, buddy. It's not meat.
Go ahead, you eat.
Very interesting.
That was great.
I can't tell that I'm not eating.
Great approved.
That was really great. It puts me in the mind of like a bourbon chicken. I like the spice, like it's not too spicy. It's just savory enough, and like on the edge of it being spicy. Like it's really good.
Puts me in the mind of a, what's that Chinese dish? With a pepper steak or something like that. I think so, yeah. Like I said, it isn't too
A little bit of
spicy.
kick.
For me at least. It's not too spicy. And it has a really good taste to it. And again, I cannot tell that I'm not eating meat. Kind of.
Yeah.
I'm a very, very, very picky person. You got it. Anyways, I'm very, very picky. It's mind blowing. I can't believe it's not meat. And the flavor is really, really good.
It was definitely a 10. Like it was just great. And if you put it in front of me and didn't tell me that it was vegan, I wouldn't believe you. Like it's great.
You know, I rated it a 10. The Korean approves. I love it. I'm extremely picky. So.
What'd you give it?
I'll give it a 10 out of 100.
I know what you meant though. I know what you meant.